Manpreet and I make book related videos on this channel. If you like books, make sure you subscribe and follow me on my social media. Today's video is about the books I desperately want to read. Now these books are different from the other TBRs and everything I do because I have dreamt about reading these books for the longest time, and these books are amazing. These books are inspiring and from some people who I really want to read and some people who I really admire, and for some reason I never end up picking their books, and one of the reasons is their books are very costly, but still I really want to read their books desperately, and the moment I'll have extra money for their books, I'm gonna grab their books. So I'm gonna show you which are those books right now and why they are so close to me. It's a very self-obsessive video, so watch it at your own risk. Book number 1 is How to Be a Boss by Lily Singh. Now, when I made the list of these books, I had a complete idea that I would never end up buying this book because it was so costly, because usually I buy books of like 100 to 300 rupees and never above that. But then she is the superwoman, she is so inspiring. I watch all her vlogs, I watch all her YouTube videos, and to be honest, I don't really like comedy, but I like the personality of this woman and how amazing she is, and I really wanted to know what she has said in this book, and I'm so lucky that I finally bought this book, because I would have never bought it myself. But when I went to the bookstore, there was a friend with me who was like, you know, stop giving out all that crap that you don't have enough money, just spend it on this one because you want to read it. So I got this one. Next book that I really want to read is The Memoir of Karan Johar, that is An Unsuitable Boy. And Karan Johar is a person I truly admire. Like, I love him, I love the way he is, I love his movies, not like all the movies I love, but I love the, you know, whole thing he creates, and I love how he is. I love his obsession with shoes, I love his talk show, I love everything about him. And when his this autobiography / memoir came out, I was like, I want to read it, but I never ended up picking it because I always had this priority list because of the books you guys asked me to read or something like that, or I needed to read for something. So I never ended up picking this book, but I desperately want to read it. Number 3 is Khullam Khulla by Rishi Kapoor. It's also an autobiography by this very famous Indian Bollywood star. Now, I am not really, you know, fond of Rishi Kapoor, but I am really fond of Bollywood celebrities for a reason, and I really want to know some inside stories about this world, and I thought an autobiography would be a great thing for that. So I really want to read this autobiography of Rishi Kapoor. Also, I do admire his comments. For example, once he commented on, I think it was H&M's collection, which was all like ripped clothes, and it was like he had a very good comment. By the way, you should follow him on Twitter because he is awesome. So I want to read his book because of that reason. So I want to read it very soon. Number 4 book is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Now this is a book, I think, if anybody is familiar with reading books, you would know that this is the most recommended book. This is a best-selling book. It's a non-fiction again, and you know, it's a book everybody says that you should read if you really want to be successful in your life, if you really want to grow, you know, if you really want to take your brain to the next level. And I never ended up reading it. I don't know why. I think I have it in my book collection. Go and check my booktube bookshelf tour video and see if I do have it in my collection, because I am 99% sure I do have it, but I never ended up reading it. Why the hell did I do that? And that's why I desperately want to read it, because somehow there are always so many books which are on a priority and not this one, but I so desperately want to read it that it should be on the top priority. Why is it not there? Tell me if you know the reason. Comment down below right now. And number 5th book is something which should not even be in the list, but it is still there in the list. It's Sita by Amish Tripathi, which is going to be the second book in the, you know, second sequel to Scion of Ikshvaku. And I haven't read Scion of Ikshvaku. If you didn't watch my TBR video already, I plan to read it this month, but Sita, so I really want to read it. I don't know, there's this thing that is pulling me towards it, and I want to read it. And I don't know why I'm being so expressive. This is not the usual me, but the thing is, I made a video which really messed up my mind, and now I'm making this video, so I just don't know what I'm saying. But these are the 5 books I desperately want to read, and do give me some tips on how I can bring these to my priority level and actually read them first. Tell me in the comments right now. I really need you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Manpreet signing off. I'll be back with another video very soon. Till then, keep reading and keep commenting down below, okay?